So at this part of the day, I've caught a few fish with bony mouths, but I did not sharpen the hook after, and this happens.
There's a fish. Oh, good fish. It's about to make a run, I can feel it. Oh, lost him. Oh, that was a nice fish. Damn it. Alright, just gonna sharpen this hook up a little bit. Just gonna do a few passes. Freshly sharpened hook. There's a fish. Pulling the kayak, spinning me around. After I sharpen that hook, go figure. Oh my god, that's a big fish. Look at the size of that big, beautiful blue catfish.